Insular Ergonomics Baby Carrier Sling, your ultimate comfort and versatility companion for baby travel. When it comes to caring for our little ones, nothing is more precious than the bond we create through carrying them close to our hearts. The Insular Ergonomics Baby Carrier Sling brings a whole new level of comfort, practicality, and intimacy to baby travel. Designed to cater to children aged 0 to 36 months, this portable child backpack is equipped with thickened shoulder straps, a 360-degree ergonomic design, and a cozy hoodie, ensuring both parent and baby experience the joy of togetherness on every journey. Discover the Insular Ergonomics Baby Carrier, model numbers 6630 and 6631. Both under the trusted brand name Insular, represent a line of baby carriers that redefine the way parents carry their little one. Embodying thoughtful design and high-quality materials, this baby carrier is a versatile solution for parents seeking ultimate comfort and ease in baby travel. Versatile carrying position. The Insular Ergonomics Baby Carrier offers a wide range of carrying positions to suit your and your baby's preferences. Whether you opt for front carry horizontal, front-facing, face-to-face back carry, or side carry, this carrier accommodates various stages of your child's growth and activity. This versatility allows you to adapt the carrier to your child's needs and comfort, making it an indispensable accessory for every parent. Thickened shoulder straps for enhanced support. One of the standout features of this baby carrier is its thickened shoulder straps. These wide and well-padded straps evenly distribute the baby's weight across the parent's shoulders, reducing strain and ensuring a comfortable carrying experience. No matter the duration of your outing, the Insular Ergonomics Baby Carrier ensures you can venture further and explore more with your little one. 360-degree ergonomic design, safety and comfort are paramount when it comes to baby carriers, and the Insular Ergonomics Baby Carrier takes it up a notch with its 360-degree ergonomic design. This design cradles the baby in a natural and comfortable position, promoting healthy hip development and providing ample support for the baby's delicate spine. Parents can rest assured that their child's well-being is at the heart of this thoughtfully crafted carrier. Cozy hoodie for extra protection. The baby carrier comes with a practical and cozy hoodie that shields the baby from the elements, ensuring they stay comfortable and protected during outdoor adventures. Whether it's a light drizzle or a sunny day, the hoodie adds an extra layer of care for your little one. Crafted in mainland China, Zhejiang. With its origin in Zhejiang, mainland China, this baby carrier showcases the region's dedication to quality and craftsmanship. Each carrier is meticulously produced to meet the highest standards, offering parents a reliable and durable product they can trust.